are in the living room, and what do you think about this, Alexia?
I love this living room. It's open floor plan, it has recessed lighting throughout, and it's just very convenient to step out into the deck.
Yeah, you can walk right onto the deck, and I like that the kitchen is just right here. I also really like the wall accents behind me.
Oh yes, and not only to mention we have a downstairs bathroom that's just so conveniently located.
Yeah.
One of the great features about this kitchen is you have a lot of pantry space, room, and also it's updated.
And quartz countertop, and also translucent cabinet, and also the wood, really great for entertainment.
What's great about this property is the stairs is actually on the side of the property, which is great feng shui. Also, the unit has 2 bedrooms in the downstairs, so it's great for multi-generation household.
What I also love about this bedroom is that it's updated with laminate floor, dual pane windows, and premier baseboard. What I love about this bedroom upstairs is it's a perfect size for a child, and it's connected to the other bedroom. Also, it has a perfect private view looking out the windows without anyone looking in.
So we are in the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom, as you can see, has these nice copper ceilings. It's also got a new texture. And one of my favorite features is this bright open window.
What I love about this backyard is like a park here. Decorated rocks, luscious green landscaping, brand new painted deck. It's amazing. Friends, family, you will decorate it with lights. It's great. It's gonna be great Thanksgiving. I love this enclosed front yard. It's private for this quiet neighborhood and very easy access to the community pool right across the street. I love this community pool. It's quite large. You can actually do laps here. There's also access to the jacuzzi and picnic area and barbecue and a clubhouse.
So I'm here at the Northwood Square Shopping Center, featuring numerous stores like Target, Walgreens, King Agril. This shopping center has numerous restaurants, as well as shopping for you and your family to enjoy. The property also gets Laneview Elementary, which has an 874 API score, Morrill Middle, and Independence High School. So I'm at Selwood Park, which is connected to Northwood Park, and it's extremely close to the property. Now I'm here at Cataldi Park in San Jose. Now one of my favorite things is that not only do you have numerous playgrounds for the kids, but you can also play tennis until sunset.
Just 2 miles away, we have the Great Mall, which is the largest indoor outlet. It has stores such as Neiman Marcus, off Saks Fifth, Marshall, and much more. We also have the Olive Garden, which is the only one closest to us in Northern California.
Thank you for visiting 3122 Capewood Lane. We hope to see you at this weekend open house Saturday, Sunday from 1:30 to 4:30.
All right. See you soon.